Hello ji, namaste, a warm welcome from Jigisha. Let's start with the painting right away. I have made this painting on a canvas board. You can also use a stretched canvas or a canvas sheet for the same. I have made another video in which I have elaborated on the types of canvases, the link of which is mentioned in the description box. So if you want to know the basics of canvas, you can visit that video as well. And now let's enjoy painting. The brush that I have used for spreading the colors is a flat brush and its number is 12. For this painting, I have used only 4 paints. The shades are titanium white, cadmium orange, viridian hue and cobalt blue hue. I'll mention the names of these shades in the description box. Now I have switched my brush to a round brush. Its number is 8. I enjoyed painting it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for future notifications of my upcoming videos. Till then, it's a goodbye and Jai Hind.